Let's go to Hitchin. So today we're going to take a little bit of a road trip to a little town called Hitchin, where there's a load of random strangers who all sell on eBay that are meeting in their Wetherspoons to talk absolute nonsense for a couple of hours. So I'm going to hit the road, head down to Hitchin, try and film some stuff this year. I see every year, and I do film some stuff and I never put the video out. So if you're watching this, I've done it. So I'm running late as usual. So it's nearly 10 o'clock, so I'm going to hit the road and try and get there about lunchtime. It's a couple of hours from mine. Doesn't seem too much traffic at the moment. I need to stop filming because I need time to sneak around the charity shops, even though I think they've probably already been cleared out. But let's hit the road, get down there and meet some people and hopefully have a good chat and capture that on film. Well, I've arrived in Hitchin, and that was a pretty miserable journey. It was delayed on the M1, and I've just drove around Hitchin for 20 minutes or more actually to try and find parking. So yeah, pretty rough, and everyone keeps coming up to me saying, are you going? But I found somewhere eventually. It's the busiest for parking I've ever known it, all the years coming here. So 5 car parks later, I've eventually found a car parking space. So I'm going to get out, get over to the Wetherspoons and perhaps have a little wander around the charity shops with some of the people there. So I best get going before someone else asks me if I'm leaving. So I've got to Premier Inn. My room's available, but if I wanted to check in early, they wanted to charge me £15. So sod that. I'll be back later. Alright, I've got to the room. Pretty good. I'm not really going to show you much of the room, but here's the wonderful view out the window. So yeah, just been around some charity shops, went to go and speak to everybody at the pub. Some very jaded people there. They had a little bit too much to drink last night, shall we say. So I'm just going to get myself changed, get down to the pub and have a chin wag with people. So this is what I picked up so far. I picked up some silver earrings, which are in a pocket somewhere, for £3. Picked up some DVDs, 3 for £1, branded and sealed. That one and that one. And then we've got some Wii games, £1 each, good condition with manuals inside. So Sonic at the Olympic Games, Winter Olympic Games, Wii Sports Resort, and Pony Friends 2. Surprised on that one, goes for about £8–10. Then paid up on this one. Haynes manual, £5. It's brand new. It's an Amazon return, new item, and they go for about 20. Well, some people are asking more for new, but I'll aim for about 20. And then I've mangled this up a bit, which was a bit silly. It's a barber badge, the edit by Alexa. It's mangled though. It wasn't mangled, and I stuffed it in my pocket without thinking, and I paid £3 on that. And unmangled goes for around 15. Here are the earrings, paid £3 for them. They're fairly heavy, solid lumps of silver there, not hollow or anything. Chunks, £3, which is probably a bit much, but silver's really up at the moment, so I bet there's a good 8 grams there, so I might sneak a tiny profit on that. If not, I should be able to sell them for. But if I do find anything else or end up going to the car boot sale in the morning, if I'm not too hungover, then I will do a separate video. Oh, lovely sunset over Hitchin. Right, we're here at Wetherspoons. Here we go. Oh. How do?
And then they have to.
Oh, mate.
I said it in my video, then we start talking about
Wanna get a pint?
Are there any completed?
Hey, mate. How's it
How are
going?
you? You made it.
Made it eventually.
Oh, you got your GoPro again.
Yay. Serious boggle playing here.
I've got 3. You're helping me now.
Well, and there it is. Reseller Meetup 2025.
A few moments later.
I see your face in the neon glow, a fading memory, but I can't let go. Dancing in the echoes, chasing silhouettes. Every beat reminds me, but I won't forget. You are my fire.
Julian! I don't know where I felt like I get a little drink right here, do you, bud?
The night takes me higher.
So there we go. It's now 2:45 in the morning, and that's the Hitchin meetup. So one of the more sober Hitchin meetups for myself, but still great. Still nice to meet everybody. We'll see how I feel in the morning, but yeah, it was awesome meeting some people and having a chat. So hopefully I got a little bit of footage. It was so noisy in there. I was planning on to sort of interview people as such and talk to them, but it's just too loud in there, to be honest. So yeah, see how I do in the morning. There's a little car boot sale. I'm gonna have a little wander around there, see if there's anything I can find. So yeah, pretty long evening, so I'm ready to get some sleep. Good morning. Right, so it is the morning after the night before. I feel a little bit delicate this morning. Wasn't too bad last night. But for some reason my body decided to wake me up at 8 o'clock, which can only mean one thing, and that means I need to sneak off to the Sunday Hitchin flea market, I guess you call it. So I'm quickly getting ready for that. Stumble out the door, checkout's not till 12, so I've got a chance to have a little shufty round. There's also an antique centre, I might have a look round as well while I'm there. So that's it, back at the car, time to go home. I bought some really cool stuff, like real random jewellery, spoons, went a bit mad. So yeah, time to hit the M1, go home and have a little rest. I'm feeling perfectly fine to drive. I don't feel rough at all, just a little bit tired. So I'm just at McDonald's, gonna have a cup of tea to take on the go, and let's get home. Well, I'm halfway home because the M1, there was some poor soul whose car set on fire. So, yeah, it was 4 lanes down to 2, caused massive delays. So, yeah, I'm not even halfway home and I've still got an hour and a half to go. So, fun. So, I stopped again and, yeah, it's started to rain and the start of a storm. So, yay! Bloody hell, they don't mess about at Taco Bell. My mouth's on fire here. I'm struggling. Oh, nice. But bloody hell, that was spicy. Right, let's get on the road and let's get back home. So I finally got back home. That was a long journey, about 3.5 hours, which it should have taken 2. So yeah, not fun. Stopping 3 times, but I had Taco Bell for the first time in absolutely ages. There isn't one near me, and there's not loads in the UK, so quite enjoyed that. But yeah, good weekend. It was lovely to meet everybody. Sorry if I didn't get a chance to speak to you, but I think I spoke to most people. So yeah, it was nice mingling with everybody. I think I got some footage, we shall see. So I'll try and edit this into a video, and then I will do a subsequent haul video of some of the stuff that I bought, because I did actually buy quite a lot, particularly from the flea market this morning. So yeah, so if you like this kind of video, click on this one here to see more adventures out and about on a road trip. And yeah, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye for now.